Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to care for digital permed hair. Immediately after your digital perm, it's crucial to avoid washing your hair for at least 48 hours, ideally 72 hours, to allow the curls to set properly. Also, refrain from tying your hair up, using clips, or tucking it behind your ears for the first few days. This prevents unwanted kinks. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can also help maintain your curls and reduce frizz. When it's time to wash, choose sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner formulated for chemically treated or permed hair. These products are gentler and help preserve your curls. Apply conditioner generously, then gently detangle your hair using a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up. Finish by rinsing with cool water. This helps seal the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and boosting shine. For styling, apply a curl-defining cream or mousse to your damp hair. Distribute it evenly, then gently scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp to enhance the curl pattern. When drying, it's best to air dry as much as possible. If you use a blow dryer, always attach a diffuser and use it on a low heat setting to avoid frizz and maintain your beautiful curls. To keep your digital perm looking its best long-term, incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once a week. This provides essential moisture and helps maintain your hair's elasticity. Regular trims, every 8 to 12 weeks, are also important to remove any split ends and keep your curls healthy and bouncy. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.